In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I gained over 6,000 followers within the last 30 days by building my own content OS using Claude code. Okay. Quick context. I have no idea how content works. I posted my first video 2 months ago. And since then, I've been able to gain over 1 million views and over 9,000 followers in Instagram. And this wasn't luck. Okay. The whole highlight of this video is going to be data. If you have the right data and you don't have to guess, you're going to get results. And it applies in every aspect of your life. If you have data on business, on fitness, anything on how to get a six pack, if you know how to get a six pack, you get a six pack. If you know how to make $1 million with a marketing agency, you'll make $1 million with a marketing agency. If you have the data on what video ideas and video formats work to get a 10,000 followers and you follow it, you will get there. Okay, that's what I did. I built a predictable system for myself that generates me video ideas and generates me video hooks, video formats that are going viral right now that I can post, get followers, get emails, so I can sell it to my business and make a bunch of money as well. Not just gain followers, because followers don't mean shit if you don't make money. Okay, first, let me show you the proof. Okay, so here's my Instagram. As you can see, 42,000 views, 15,000 views, 11,000 views, 48,000 views, 28,000 views, 17,000 views. And it's not just views. As you can see, 1,000 comments. That's 1,000 leads. Again, 1,000 leads, 1,000 leads. If you scroll down, 4,000 leads, 600 leads. So I get a lot of leads on a daily basis. Okay, here's the actual OS. And how this OS works is if you go to overview, you can see all of your numbers and you can choose the actual time frame. I'm going to do last 30 days. You can see all of your numbers in the last 30 days. Okay, this is fake because I got banned and I got unbanned, so it doubled my followers for some reason, the new followers. But as you can see, last 30 days, I gained 6,500 followers. If you divide this by 2, that's how much you're gonna get. You can see all of your rates. As you can see, my comment rate is viral because I'm going for comments. That's my strategy. And you can see everything here. You can see all your winning videos, your average videos, your videos that are not performing well, and it gives you an explanation to why it's not performing well, why it's performing well, which hook is working, which video format is working. It shows you which time it's best to post based on your videos, so you can focus on that too. So there's a lot of different details that this dashboard shows you that allows you to post predictably and get good engagement on your videos and get followers. Okay, there's another page, competitor research. If you don't have videos yet, like I did 2 months ago, I didn't have any videos to analyze and make new videos about. I had to get data from somewhere else. So what did I do? I looked at my competitors who were already winning and took the data from them, replicated it, put them into the system, and now the system is generating me ideas based on what works in the niche. Okay, I am in the AI niche, so I had to find 15 to 10 competitors in the AI niche, see what works for them, and I just use those video formats, those ideas with my own voice for my own brand. Okay, as you can see, I get 5 video ideas every single day with this dashboard. If I click on this button, it's going to generate me actual scripts based on my voice, based on my brand, my language, that I can just copy and paste, record, grab my phone, record this, and post. Okay, this is the process. It's going to generate you all these scripts that are proven. Instagram carousel machine. If I click on this one button, I get 2 of these carousel ideas every single day. If I click on this approve and render button, it's going to generate me a whole slide deck for Instagram. Okay, all of this was generated by AI with a call to action, a hook, bodies, everything. And as it has a call to action for people to comment a specific keyword, it needs to have a guide. So it generated me an actual guide as well on what I can give to my audience based on the context of the carousel. I didn't make this. AI made this. All I need to do is just copy paste this into the DMs or ManyChat, and it's going to send it out based on the video idea. Okay, so that's the actual content OS. So in this video, I'm going to show you the full pipeline, what you need in order to build something like this, a machine like this, the outputs, as I just showed you, the carousel, the videos, the results, the actual results that it's producing you, the agents that I used, the agents that are behind the scenes for this machine, the tools that I use every single month, all these subscriptions, tools, softwares, all of that I use, and how much it costs in total. So first, the actual pipeline. Okay, this is what the pipeline looks like. First things first, in the morning, it's gonna look at your IG and scrape off all the relevant data from your Instagram. All the videos that you've posted, it's gonna transcribe those videos. It's gonna take away the hook from the video, the call to action from the video, the topic of the video, the format of the video. It's gonna break down all of your videos. It's gonna break down your whole Instagram and put them into a database. So it knows everything about your videos. Okay, it needs to analyze all your videos every single day to see what works and what doesn't work and give you feedback based off of that. Okay, next thing, the competitor reels scrape. Within this kind of like process, it's gonna take a look at 15 to 20 of your competitors in your niche that are making the same content as you are making, and it's gonna scrape off every single reel that they've posted within the last 72 hours above a specific threshold. Let's say it gained 20,000 views, that specific video. It's gonna scrape it off, just break it down, just all the specific metrics, break down the specific piece of content and put them into the database as well. Next thing, based on these two things, and of course the previous scrapes that you've done, for weeks and weeks and weeks, all of those data is gonna combine and add up together. So pretty much the more you use this machine, the better it's gonna be, because the more data, the more context it has. So then it's gonna generate you 5 real ideas with the script. It's gonna generate you 2 carousel ideas with scripts, slides, and the guide. And it's gonna generate you 2 LinkedIn post ideas with scripts, slides, and guides as well. And then once everything is done, all of this is going to happen within like 2 hours, by the way, every single morning. So before you wake up, by the time you make your coffee, you're going to have a Telegram message with a summary of everything that has happened. It's going to tell you exactly what it scraped off, where it scraped it off, what are the results, what is the conclusion, all your video ideas, and then what it based those video ideas on. And it just gives you everything from this research. Okay. Next thing, the actual agents that we use in this machine. The first one is going to be the competitor scrape agent. This agent is going to be responsible for scraping off every single one of your competitors that you give the agent and store it in the database. Okay, I'm talking about like 15, 20 competitors every single day. I have like 24 in my pipeline, but just find as many as you want. I will say within 30 to 150K followers, because they have proven systems. If you go below 30K, it might be just luck, one lucky video. If you go above 150K, all of their videos are going to be good. So they are a little bit too big for you to analyze. So stay within that range and you should be fine. And the content sync agent, this agent is going to be responsible for getting all of your data. It's going to go into your profile and just pull all of your metrics together, your views, saves, shares, reach, watch time. It's going to look at everything and see where you're lacking. Maybe your watch time is bad. Maybe there's a lot of comments, but nobody's saving your videos. And just looking at all these different metrics. The brand voice distiller agent, this agent is going to look at all of your videos and take it together. It's going to look at your transcripts and look at the words you use, your vocabulary, your language, your sentencing style. It's going to look at how you speak and save it and understand it. So for the next videos where it's going to make the script for you, it'll make the scripts based on how you talk. So all you need to do is just look at the script, read it out word by word, and it's going to be just like if you wrote the script. Fourth one, performance distiller agent. This is going to look at your videos and it's going to look at the hooks and your topics, look at the patterns based on what pulls the most views based on your hooks and your topics, and based on patterns, it's going to tell you exactly, okay, this hook works usually. 9 times out of 10, this hook works. And these are the topics that are trending for you because all of your viral videos were within this topic. So make videos within those topics. The research agent, this agent is going to look at everything else outside of Instagram, so the web. Okay, it's going to look at Twitter, Reddit, X, Google searches. It's going to look at everything and find recent news and relevant information in your niche that are blowing up right now. There are hot topics that you can make videos about. Let's say you are in fitness and there's a new, superfood coming out, or something came out like 12 hours ago, a superfood. If you're the first person to talk about a very hot topic, something that just came out, something very big news, you're gonna go viral. Because if let's say if you got that information 2 weeks later, then maybe 100 of your competitors have already made a video about it, so you're not gonna go as viral. Okay, so that's what this agent does. It looks at everything outside of Instagram. Idea agent. This agent, obviously, this is gonna be responsible for generating you all your video ideas for the day for Instagram, and then the viral script generator agent is going to generate you the actual scripts for that video idea. Next thing, carousel agent. This agent is going to create you the actual carousels, the copy, the slides, and everything else, the design. It's going to generate all of that for you. And then the carousel lead magnet agent is going to be responsible for creating the actual guides for the carousel. Okay, just what I showed you. It's going to generate the actual guide based on the topic and based on the actual slides that you generated with the previous agent. Next agent, LinkedIn post idea agent. Again, obvious, this agent is going to be responsible for generating you the LinkedIn post ideas, and the LinkedIn post writer agent is going to write the actual copy for these video idea, or sorry, for these LinkedIn post ideas. Content classifier agent. This is something that works in the backend. Okay, it'll make sure that every single hook, topic, and all your analytics are super searchable and filterable in the backend in the database, so your agents can find them very easily. It's not that important. It's super useful in the backend for the agent, so they can work super efficiently. And the last one is the Telegram digest agent. Obviously, this is gonna be the agent that will pull together all of this data that happens every morning when the brief happens, and it's going to give you the actual brief, the summary of the work that the agents have done, and give you a message in agent in Telegram every single morning. So these are the 13 agents that we use. And the next thing, how much does it cost to run this? What softwares do I use? First thing, Anthropic credits. To run AI agents, Claude agents, it's going to cost you Anthropic credits. Now, for me, it costs me around $12 every single month to run this whole operation. So like 40 cents per day to post 3 to 5 videos. I think it's super worth it for your branding. Apify, this is what we use to scrape off the actual Instagram reels and videos and profiles. Their lowest plan is $29 per month, so that's why it's this much. I think you use around $14 of API costs, so you can spend this on anything else like lead generation or something else. This is just like the minimum tier that they have. Grok Whisper, this is what we use for the actual transcription. We transcribe the videos with Grok Whisper. This is free. The free tier is perfectly enough for you if you don't do like super high volume, like 1,000 videos every single day. Same thing with Tabily. Tabily is going to be responsible for the web research. This is going to look at Twitter, Reddit, Google, Anthropic, all of these different feeds, and get the data from you. I think you can scrape off like a thousand articles, 1,000 pages every single month. So it's perfectly enough to be in the free tier. So it's free. Google Drive, obviously, this is where everything is going to be stored in terms of the carousels, the guides, all of that stuff. Again, it's free. Instagram Graph API. This is how you can connect Claude to your Instagram profile. It's free. Telegram bot API, same thing. This is how you can connect your Claude code to your Telegram. Again, it's free. Superbase, this is going to be our database. Now, I think the free version is 500 megabytes of storage, and that's more than enough for a project like this. So you don't need anything else, just a free tier. And DigitalOcean, this is going to be the software that you pay for the actual server, so you can host this machine. The lowest tier plan is $6 per month, more than enough. So the grand total is going to be $47 for a system like this, pretty much $50 to gain thousands of followers and make thousands of dollars in sales by having a predictable machine making pretty much all the content for you. All you need to do is just record the videos, have some super slight edits in them, and post them. And you can predictably post these videos and expect good results because you're making it off of data that are proven, data that other people have proven to work. Okay, so this is the whole system. If you want me to make a video where I actually build something like this live in a YouTube video, like a long YouTube video, then comment under this video. I really want to see if there's interest for that. Outside of that, I'm going to link my Instagram in the description. I post a lot of reels about a bunch of AI stuff on news, tools to use, skills, how to use Claude Code, all those sorts of things. So if you want to learn more about that, then just go to my Instagram, follow me, and you're not going to regret it. And if you want to build out a content OS like this for yourself, but you just don't have the time for it, you just don't want to build it, or you don't know how to build something like this, then message me the keyword YouTube, and I'll message you. I'll have a conversation with you and see if we can help you build this out, or if it makes sense to build this out for you and get you a bunch of followers, get you a bunch of money from a content OS like this. So yeah, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I post some very useful stuff, and see you in the next video.